Today we are going to learn chapter 14, Our Sweet Home. What houses are made of. In this chapter, we shall discuss about different building materials, different types of houses, roofs and floors. Let us begin the chapter. We all live in a house. A house protects us from the sun, rain, wind and enemies, and also from wild animals. What are the building materials? What building materials we will see when you see a house getting constructed. Houses are made up of different materials such as straw. You can see the house made up of straw, leaves, mud, bamboo, wood, bricks, stones, cement, tiles and tin sheets. So houses, you can see different types of houses are constructed by using different building materials. You should remember straw. The houses can be made up of straw, leaves, mud, bamboo, wood, bricks, stones, cement, tiles and tin sheets. Let us see what are the different types of houses. There are three types of houses, namely permanent houses, temporary houses and movable houses. So three types of houses are permanent houses, temporary houses and movable houses. Permanent houses. What is meaning of permanent houses? People who are settled in one place lives in a permanent house. It is made up from strong materials that last very long. These houses are usually made up of bricks, cements, stones and tiles. Nowadays, we live in multi-storied buildings, that is flats. Let us learn about temporary houses. Temporary houses do not last very long. These houses are built with wood, bamboo or mud. When Eskimos goes on hunting, they build igloos made up of ice blocks for shelter. These are temporary house which was constructed for time being. Temporary houses are igloos, mud house, wood house, bamboo house. Let us discuss about movable houses. Some people will move from one place to another for their work. They make movable houses. Gypsies, you must have seen, live in houses on wheels called caravans. These caravans are made up of wood. A houseboat. You can see a floating house made of wood. It is found in lakes of Kerala and Kashmir. Soldiers, scouts and NCC cadets, that is people, live in tents. It is made up of canvas cloth. Movable houses are caravans by gypsies, houseboats by the people of Kashmir and tents for soldiers, scouts and NCC cadets. Both caravans and houseboats are made up of woods, while tent is made up of canvas cloth. Roofs. Roofs may be sloping, flat, and circular. Where you can see the sloping roof? You can see the sloping roofs in the place of heavy rainfall or snowfall, where the water or snow will fall off immediately. Roofs are made up of tiles, tin, or asbestos in case of heavy rains so that water does not enter into the house. Thatch roof. You can see these roofs for in the place of normal rains and hot rainy region. Flat roof. Where you can see the flat roofs, you can see in the place of hot dry regions. It is made up of concrete or stone tiles. So three types of roofs we saw: sloping, flat, and thatch. Now the circular you can see in the igloos. Next we are going to talk about floors. Wooden floor is made in the hilly places. Houses in hills will have wooden floor for chillness, for cool, in order to avoid cool. Mud and straw flooring you can see in the huts. Huts are most probably seen in the plains. We can see cement, marble or stones in permanent houses. So wooden floor you can see in the hills. Mud and straw flooring you can see in the huts. Cement, marble or stones in the permanent houses. Let us have a chapter recap. A house gives us shelter from the sun, rain and enemies. Permanent houses are made up of bricks, cement and stones. Temporary houses are made up of wood, bamboo or mud. Movable houses are made up of wood and canvas. Sloping roofs are made at places having heavy rainfall or snowfall. Flat roofs are made in hot, dry regions. This ends the chapter 14.